In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste components in Figma in the fastest and easiest way possible. This is a super useful skill, whether you're building a UI design, duplicating reusable elements, or moving components between frames and files. If you're working in Figma often, knowing this simple shortcut can save you a lot of time and make your workflow much smoother. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more quick design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and find the component you want to copy. You can select it directly on the canvas, or if it's easier, you can click it from the Layers panel on the left side. The important thing is to make sure the component is selected before you copy it. Once it's highlighted, you're ready for the next step. Now that the component is selected, copy it using the keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Mac, press Command+C. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl+C. This will copy the selected component to your clipboard. You can also use the right-click menu and choose Copy, but the shortcut is much faster and more efficient once you get used to it. Next, go to the place where you want to paste the component. This could be another frame on the same page, a different section of your design, or even another file if you've copied the component from there. Once you've positioned yourself in the right area, paste it using Command+V on Mac or Ctrl+5 on Windows. Figma will place the copied component into your workspace, ready for you to move, adjust, or reuse. If needed, you can now drag the pasted component into the exact position you want. You can also duplicate it again if you need multiple copies. This is especially helpful when you're designing buttons, cards, nav items, icons, or any other reusable UI element. The whole point of components in Figma is to make your design process faster, cleaner, and more consistent. And that's it. Copying and pasting components in Figma is really that simple. Select the component, copy it with the shortcut, and paste it wherever you need it. Once you know this workflow, it becomes second nature and helps you work much more efficiently inside Figma. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.